Let's take a look at the key concept in this section. We're going to take a look at standard form of a linear equation. Standard form is written as ax plus by equals c. Let's take a look how we can use standard form to find the x and the y intercepts. Given the equation 3x plus 4y equals 21, in order to find the x-intercept, we need to substitute 0 for y. So when 3x plus 4y equals 24, we want to substitute 0 in for that equation. So we have 3x plus 4 times 0 equals 24. 4 times 0 is 0, so you're left with 3x equals 24. In order to get the x by itself, you can divide both sides by 3, and you end up with x equals 8. So that tells us if x equals 8, x-intercept is 8. Now we have to find the y-intercept. In order to do that, you need to substitute 0 for x. So our equation 3x plus 4y equals 24, we're going to substitute 0 in for x. 3 times 0, 0, so they cancel out. You're left with 4y equals 24. In order to get the y by itself, you have to divide both sides by 4, and you get y equals 6. If y equals 6, that means the y-intercept is 6. Let's go ahead and do got it number 1. Go ahead and write down for got it number 1, A, 5x minus 6y equals 60, and B, 3x plus 8y equals 12. Go ahead and solve those and see what the x and the y intercepts are for those two equations. Let's take a look at problem number 2, graphing a line using intercepts. If we have the equation x minus 2y equals negative 2, we need to find the x and the y intercepts using standard form. So step 1, to find the intercepts, if we want to find the x-intercept, we need to make y 0. So we're going to substitute 0 in for y. When we do that, 0 times 2 cancels out, and you're left with x equals negative 2. So x equals negative 2. That is our x-intercept. If I want to find the y-intercept, I take the equation x minus 2y equals 2, equals negative 2 actually, and we go ahead and we plug 0 in for x. We solve the equation, and we get negative 2y equals negative 2. In order to get y by itself, we divide both sides by negative 2, and we get y equals 1. Now we have the y-intercept and the x-intercept. Step 2 is we need to plot that information. We can look at this two ways. In step 2, we take our x-intercept, which is x equals negative 2, and we plot that as the point x is negative 2, y is 0. And then we plot negative 2, 0 on the graph. Negative 2, 0 is right there. our y-intercept being y equals 1, xy, the y is 1. Because we made x 0, we applied the point 0, 1, which is right there. And then we connect our line, or we connect our dots with this straight line. The other way of looking at it is x equals -2. This is our x-intercept. X -2 is right here. Y-intercept, this is our y-axis. Y equals 1, intercept is 1. You plot the point right there, and you connect both dots with the red line. So you can take the points -2, 0 from the x-intercept, 0, 1 from the y-intercept, and plot the points. Or just remember, x equals -2 means that is the x-intercept, x-axis, -2. And the same thing for your y-intercept of 1. Let's take a look at got it. What are the x and the y-intercepts of the graph of each equation? So in got it number 1, we're going to write down 5x minus 6y equals 60. And got it B, 3x plus 8y equals 12. Go ahead and solve both these equations, finding the x and the y intercepts.